What is ecosystem resilience and how does it work? Imagine a forest after a wildfire or a coral reef facing a storm. How do these natural places bounce back or change? That's what ecosystem resilience is all about. It's the ability of an ecosystem to handle disturbances like storms, pollution, or droughts while still keeping its main functions and structure. Resilience means an ecosystem can resist damage, recover from disruptions, and sometimes even change to a new stable state without losing what makes it special. For example, after a wildfire, a forest might regrow and restore its trees, plants, and animals. This shows resilience because the ecosystem bounces back and keeps providing services like clean air and habitat. But sometimes, if a disturbance is too strong or lasts too long, an ecosystem might shift to a different state. Think of a clear lake turning murky because of too many nutrients, changing the water quality and the plants and animals that live there. Resilience depends on a few key factors. First, diversity is important. When many species perform similar roles, if some decline, others can fill in. This backup system helps the ecosystem keep functioning. Second, the size or extent of an ecosystem matters. Larger areas tend to be more resilient because they support more species and habitats. Third, the condition or health of the ecosystem plays a role. Healthy soil, water, and living things help ecosystems resist and recover from stress. Lastly, connectivity is vital. When different parts of an ecosystem or nearby ecosystems are linked, species and resources can move around, helping recovery and adaptation. All these factors work together to give ecosystems the ability to resist shocks, bounce back after disruptions, or even change in ways that still support life. Resilience isn't just about returning to the way things were, but also about reorganizing and adapting when needed. Sometimes ecosystems shift between different stable states depending on environmental pressures and how humans manage the land. Knowing how resilience works helps us protect and restore ecosystems. For example, keeping a variety of species and reducing pollution can make ecosystems stronger against climate change and habitat loss. This way, they can continue to provide vital services like clean water, air, and homes for wildlife. In short, ecosystem resilience is the natural strength of ecosystems to endure disturbances and keep their essential roles. It relies on diversity, size, health, and connections, which together help ecosystems resist, recover, or adapt. This ensures they keep supporting life and human well-being for years to come.